VonWater Countertop Row Dispenser and full accessories. Main unit overview. Control panel introduction. Next, step-by-step installation instructions. Install filter. Peel off the plastic wrap of row filter first. Open top cover. Insert filter and press firmly. Install as marked direction. Add water to tank. Lift and clean raw water tank. Fill water to max line. Reinstall tank to machine. New system flushing. Step 1 auto filter and flush. Power on for auto filtration and flush. Flush stops when pitcher full. Dispense water to resume flushing. Prepare big container for wastewater. Step to dispense and flush. Tap dispense to empty full pitcher. Flushing restarts after dispensing. Flush water cannot be drunk. Step 3 water change and flush. Icon pops up to prompt tank water change. Change water. Lift up the tank and drain all leftover raw water. Refill tap water to max line and reinstall tank. Filtration and flushing continue afterward. Repeat auto filter, dispense, and water change repeatedly. Keep cycling until flush progress hits 100%. Flushing finished at 100% progress. Press dispense button for daily use.